Budapest Airport is not only green in the spring. Complex and sustainable planning is part of everyday life at the airport. We're at the forefront of developing electric transport. Together with the ground handling companies, we're phasing out vehicles powered by fossil fuel wherever possible. And we're concurrently introducing electric alternatives. We and our ground handling partners have already replaced nearly 100 of them with electric vehicles, quietly making their rounds while saving the environment from burning thousands of liters of fuel and emitting hundreds of tons of greenhouse gases. The number of our electric charging stations is also increasing rapidly. We plan to install nearly 180 new stations over 3 years. We also encourage our partners to share our vision and to develop together. Our contracted passenger transportation partner, Fotaxi, has also gone green. They now have hundreds of electric and hybrid cars to transport their passengers. We've connected the airport to the car sharing system, reducing the number of cars on the roads. We've connected a large part of the terminals and airport buildings with a bicycle path to reduce the need for our colleagues to drive. We care about the environment. Our aim is carbon neutrality. Budapest Airport, gateway to sustainability.